From the freezer section, you can buy the extra crispy battered or breaded onion rings. Follow the directions on the bag. The onion rings mostly say $4.50 for about 20 minutes. So if you don't have your broiler pan anymore because it got all cruddy years ago, you can make one by putting a wire rack inside a baking sheet. So you put your oven on 375, 400. And for burgers, I like every bite of the burger to be identical to every other bite. So I cut the strips of bacon in half before I put them on the sheet. And this will take about 18 to 20 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your bacon. I like my bacon extra crispy. Now for the special sauce. I've got sour cream already in the bowl. We're gonna add a few tablespoons of ketchup and some relish. Now that's your basic special sauce recipe. Mayonnaise or sour cream, ketchup and relish, right? Done. Well, we're going to jazz this up a bit. I'm gonna turn it into sour cream and onion dip as kind of the flavor package going on by adding a little garlic and a lot of onion. You can use an entire bunch of finely chopped chives, or I chose to do some scallions, finely chop a small bunch of scallions. And I like to add the extra herbs that I would put into ranch dressing, dill and parsley. I also like things a little spicier than most people, so I throw in a little hot sauce too, just because it's my sauce and I'm the boss of that, so whatever. I'm gonna mix this up. When we come back, we'll make the patties and get them into the cast iron skillet. I have my skillet getting hot over medium-high heat. I have ground turkey in the bowl. I like a blend of dark and white meat. You can also use ground turkey breast, but you'll need to add more oil to the pan because that's 99% fat-free, so you get no meat juices coming out. For the turkey, I've seasoned it up with salt and black pepper. If you want to make 6-ounce patties, 2 pounds of ground turkey will make 6 portions. If you want giant 8-ounce or half-pounder burgers, of course, you'll get 2 per package. So I've got kosher salt, coarse black pepper already on the turkey. I'm gonna add Worcestershire sauce, a couple of tablespoons, and some Dijon or yellow or grainy Dijon mustard, a couple of tablespoons. Mix this all together, form the meat back into one large mound, score the number of portions you're going to make, and then when you grab it, you know you've got about the same portion. Now, when you're forming your patties, always make them a little thinner at the center and thicker at the edges. That's for even cooking, and it's especially important with turkey burgers because you need to make sure they're fully cooked through in the center. Now we're gonna stack up our crazy turkey club burgers. On the bottom of my soft roll with sesame seed top, I took the slicing pickles, and you see this is just what we're gonna do with the bacon. Cover the entire bun surface with the pickles so every bite tastes exactly the same. Then we're going to put our gem romaine or any crunchy lettuce you like down. Now we're going to do that same kind of stacking with our crispy bacon so that every bite of the burger gets bacon in it. Bacon's buddy is tomato. I want salt and pepper on my tomato. Pick a patty. And then up on top of the patty, we're going to put as many onion rings as we can feasibly fit. Okay. And then we're going to put our sour cream and onion ranch special sauce all over that and glue it in place.